This is Gadi. I'm driving in in Park City, Utah. Look how gorgeous this place is on the mountain. And of course, it's a ski resort. They do have a lot of snow. And what's making it really interesting, especially because I don't live here and I don't have to deal with the snow and shovel the snow, but it's a beautiful place to visit. And of course it's a tourist destination that is busy all year round, because as beautiful it is in the winter time, it's absolutely beautiful in the spring and summer as well. So Park City, Utah, it's a place that you guys need to visit and enjoy. And if you like skiing, you like biking, you like hiking, this is the place to come to.